a good burger fix sometimes, and it's so quick and easy to make burgers at home. I'm going to show you how. Cooking the burger patties is rapid, so you have to get all your sandwich fillings prepared first. Crispy lettuce, of course, thick slices of onion and tomatoes that I'm going to caramelize, cheese slices at the ready, and your choice of burger buns. For juicy burgers, use a combination of ground lamb and beef. Most importantly, don't scrap the fat. You need about 30% fat. Smack your meat into balls without rolling too much because you don't want to melt the fat. These make normal size patties, but you can make them bigger if you like fatter patties. Now, what's a burger without caramelized onions? Cook them in a hot pan until they're soft and smoky. These are going to add a sweet balance to the savoury meat. I also like to do the same with my tomatoes with a touch of salt and pepper. For the main event, make sure you have a smoking hot pan. Cast iron skillets work best, but a normal pan on a very high heat is fine. Place a ball of meat in the pan and with a burger spatula, push down slowly and let the sizzle commence. With the slow smash technique, you're guaranteed a juicy burger. Since we didn't mess with the fat, at this point it's working its magic and retains the moisture within the patty. Quickly season with a generous pinch of salt and pepper. Once it's browned halfway up the patty, flip and season the other side. Don't press down on the patty. That will release too much fat and you'll end up with a dry burger. Lay on the cheese and place a lid on top. It will melt the cheese nicely. Whilst the cheese melts, toast your buns on a hot pan and this will take a few seconds. Now your patty is cooked. Remove from the heat and allow it to rest while you assemble the burger. It's packed with flavour, so I'm not going to add any sauce to this. And that's how you make a bangin' burger.